Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and thank you for joining me. Now, if you have been following, then you would have noticed that I have made a few videos on the various stitches in crochet. The first one we did was the single crochet stitch, then we went on to the half double crochet stitch, and we've also done one on a slip stitch, and we will revisit that. But now we want to do the double crochet. Now if you notice, as we're building, the first row was the single crochet, and on top of that we did the half double crochet, and so now we're going to go ahead and do the double crochet on top of that. So what you'll notice is the difference in sizes as we continue to go up. So let's start. So we want to insert our needle as we add this thread to this new row. We will of course go under the chain of that second row, insert the needle there, grab the lead thread and pull through. There you go, go under the lead and pull through, one chain, go back to the lead, two chains, and one more, three. Now this is as tall as the double crochet, so that is the first stitch right there. We're going to go back to the lead, grab it, go under the chain next to that first stitch, pull through the first two loops, and then go back to lead and pull through again. There you have it, back to the lead, under the next available chain, whoops, go fully under that chain, grab the lead thread, pull it under, go back to the lead thread, pull through the first two, go back and pull through the second two. That is your double crochet stitch, and this is the stitch I usually use. I love using this stitch. And so we're doing all of this because we also want you to see the different stitches and which one you actually like to work. And there are some stitches that are better at the different, patterns that you decide to do. So it's good to know all of them. So there it is. And as you look, you can see the difference in the height of each stitch, right? So let's finish up this row. We're going to do it once again. Go under the lead, then go under that last chain right there. You go back to the lead, grab it, pull it under, go back to the lead, pull through the first two loops, and then the second two, and your row is complete. There you have it. You have just completed the double crochet stitch. Now when we come back, we're going to be doing the triple crochet stitch, and there again you'll see a difference in the height, and hope you join me for that one. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Walk good. Thank you for watching.